Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces with some tips on how to update your electric fireplace with accessories. The first thing to look at would be the media kit inside. Every electric fireplace is going to come with some sort of media kit on the interior. So that might be clear crystals, it might be a log set. Something is going to come with the fireplace. However, you can swap that out for another media kit. Electric fireplaces are zero clearance, there's no actual live flame inside there, and so our options are endless for what we can put inside. You just have to make sure that it's something that will fit into the fireplace that you have. On our website, we have drop-down menus for each product with optional media kits that would fit inside the one that you're looking at. So that's one way to update the look. Another way is to consider putting a mantel ledge. So you see a couple of examples here with me. One is a live edge piece of wood, another one is metal and wood combination. There are no limits on what we could use for a mantel ledge above an electric fireplace. Again, there's no combustion here. I don't need to protect the wall above the fireplace, but sometimes I just want the look of a mantel ledge, and it adds a bit of authenticity to the fire as well. If you're converting a wood-burning fireplace, keep the tool set that comes with your wood-burning fire. So a lot of us have a tool set for poking the fire, moving the logs around, that sort of thing. If you don't have a tool set and you're converting a wood-burning fireplace to electric, maybe you want to purchase one, but it lends that authenticity and keeps that fire looking a little more traditional with the toolkit. The other thing to consider if you're converting a wood-burning fire, especially if you're putting a log set inside the existing opening. If you put an electric log set in there, don't leave the opening bare and open. It would never be open if it was still burning wood. Keep the screen or add a decorative screen or add fireplace doors to the opening, and it will, number one, give you a really nice finished look, but it will also add that authenticity to what used to be a wood-burning fireplace. And last but not least, all electric fireplaces will have a black metal border around the glass viewing window. Some are wider than others. That border can be covered with a custom reface, we call it, and that would magnet onto the existing black border, and it would completely change the look of the fireplace. And those can be done with a few custom designs as well as a lot of different finish colors. So if black just isn't working for you and you want some other color, that can be done with a custom reface. All of these options are expanded on in our stylish blog at stylishfireplaces.ca.